In the heart of a bustling village, there lived an old farmer renowned for his wisdom. One day, his prized stallion escaped from its pen and ran away. The villagers, hearing of his misfortune, gathered around to console him. "Such bad luck," they lamented. The old farmer simply smiled and said, "Good luck, bad luck, who can say?" Days passed, and to everyone's amazement, the stallion returned, leading a herd of wild horses into the farmer's yard. Now the villagers rejoiced at the farmer's newfound fortune. "How lucky you are," they exclaimed. Again, the old farmer offered a serene smile. "Good fortune, bad fortune, who can say?" In the following week, while trying to tame one of the wild horses, the farmer's son fell and broke his leg. The villagers shook their heads, pitying the family's streak of misfortune. Once more, the old farmer remained unperturbed. "Good, bad, who can say?" Soon after, a war broke out, and all able-bodied young men were drafted into the army. Because of his broken leg, the farmer's son was spared from the horrors of battle. The villagers, realizing the wisdom of the old farmer's words, marveled at his ability to stay positive in the face of adversity. In the ebb and flow of life's events, the old farmer remained grounded, understanding that every situation carried within it the potential for both good and bad. Through his unwavering acceptance, he found peace in even the most challenging of times.